What's up, YouTube? I had to tap in. You guys made Coach absolutely proud with the way you guys got busy on today. Navigating a stock market crash is not easy, but I gotta salute those of you that are doing your thing, especially in both directions. Y'all don't know how proud that makes me, man. I watch so many people not know what to do when a market crash and just sit idle and just let stocks go down and they don't just do nothing. And I went through the comments today on last night's video, plus all the text messages and emails you guys sent. So guess what? We got a jam-packed video. We're going to talk all about it. Please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it, guys. You already know, kicking it off on my favorite portion of every video, which is loving on you guys. This one comes from Kirk. He said, sniper mode today. Hi, Coach. I was in sniper mode today. Check this out, guys. I executed a total of 9 trades. I had 7 winners, 1 loss, and 1 break even. I made money trading the trends in both directions and set my stop loss on each trade. Guys, this is how it's done. This is what it should look like. He said the loss was a result of being stopped out. We ain't never mad at getting stopped out. I'd rather you lose a little. Okay, I'd rather you lose a little, because that's the name of the game. You guys that are not using your stop loss, your losses are too big because you're blowing up your account. You're having to keep putting money into your account because you're not managing your risk. This is what it should look like. I was stopped out because of my stop loss was hit. The loss was the result of being stopped out. The total profit on the day was $4,100, $4,100. Thanks for sharing your trading knowledge with us. I attached the trades for you to see. Kirk, major salute. Phenomenal job. This ratio, 9 trades, 7 wins, 1 loss, 1 break, is what it looks like. And I couldn't be more proud, man. Check this one out. We had Terrence on deck. He said, hi, Coach. He titled his Shark. I want to thank you so much for the teachings. I took your advice when I woke up this morning. I said, what we doing? Guys, if you approach this game unbiased, like not just trying to buy calls all the time or not just trying to buy puts all the time, if you come how Terrence came and you just simply say, what we doing? I grab my cup of coffee, guys. I turn on CNBC. I walk around. I see if we crashing or we up. They got 2 moves. We either red or we green. Once I identify that, I pop open the charts. I find the location. Okay, they brought the stock down this low. Where is that in relation to the support or resistance? Are we closer to either one? Boom. Then I go to work. Terrence out the gate came out kicking butt, taking that. He said, if the SPY go up, I'm with it. If it go down, I'm with that too. I follow the levels that you laid out in Discord, and I hit my profit target in 16 minutes. You guys see why I talk about being a sniper? Whether you trade what I put down every day or not, you are always going to see, man, his plays hit very fast and very big profits. Everybody, if you just see the consistency of these videos, you have people making a massive amount of money in 1 minute, 7 minutes, 15 minutes, 9 minutes. This ain't leaps. This ain't holding the play all year. This ain't long calls. This is what being a sniper look like. He said, Coach, this is my first time ever being a profitable on a red day. That is huge. You guys learning how to make money on red days is going to be the next step on your journey. Thank you for not just giving us a fish, but teaching us how to fish. May God bless you and your family. Terrence, I just want to say major salute, guys. Now, did you all see the bull trap on today? I've been teaching about it all weekend as well as in yesterday's video, and I wanted to put this back up here to make sure you guys are just seeing these type of things happening. Let me know, did you guys see the bull trap, and were you prepared for the bull trap? And more importantly, did you take advantage of it? I've seen the comments, so I know many of you got busy, but there's still a few of you that's still getting caught by it, and I want you to be prepared for it. Now listen to this. I want you guys to treat the game treat the stock market like a football or basketball game. In a football or basketball game, you got 4 quarters. You got the first quarter, second quarter, halftime, then you got the third quarter and fourth quarter. So for example, today the market crashed down for the first quarter. For the second quarter, they went sideways, then we had halftime. Second half of the day, the market began to come back. They began to reverse back to the other direction, and then they ran up. Fourth quarter, once we hit resistance, we came back down, got hit with the bull trap. Guys, if you can break the game up, the market not going to stay in one direction all day. You have to make your money, get in, get out. If you're going up for the first half of the day, you have to know in your head, okay, this play going to come down for the second half of the day. If it's going down to start the day, if you get in the market tomorrow or another day and it's down for the first half of the day, guys, it's going to reverse and go up the second half of the day. You have to start using regular, natural common sense and logic. Nothing is going to stay down. So whatever you're doing, just make the man. We were going up all day today. Okay, we hit this level. I see it's not going no higher than this. That must mean we got to go down the rest of the half of the day. Oh, we went down all first half of the morning. Then we are going up the second half of the morning. Keep it simple, guys. They only can do 2 things. Your job is just to watch out for the trick, trap, and frustrate crew and make sure you're using your stop loss and managing your risk. Let's go ahead and unpack the 3 stocks Coach got for you guys today, maybe 4. Okay. In a stock market crash, there's one thing you always want to do, and that is go shopping. You always want to get stocks you know, like, and love or desire to own long term for the cheap when they're down, when they're beaten down significantly. Guys, right now you have the largest transfer of wealth taking place with this type of crash, and this is your time to shine. Don't mean it's done going down. Don't mean you can't get a better deal later, you know what I'm saying? But right now we're down good enough to at least nibble, to at least dollar cost average. Meta is one of those ones, guys. I try to tell you all the time, this play will change your life. So whenever it come down like this, you got to get it, because when it's sitting up at $750 and $800 and $1,000, I don't want you to miss it when it was $400, $500, and $600. Okay, so put Meta on your radar. Feel free to nibble on this one if you don't have it. Of course, lower is better. So if it could come back lower than 645, of course, the 5, I like it in the 4s even better than I like it here. And so that will be one. Another one is Google. This one got beat. Got the brakes beat off of it. Ticker symbol is GOOGL, sitting at 172.24. It was up 2.35%, and it's up again a little bit more in after hours, but they were down way at 168. That's what I mean. They got the brakes beat off of them. Okay, and so sitting down there, you can't help but to scoop it up. They are under the belief that AI is going to make Google obsolete, and I just don't see that as being the case, as if Google ain't working on their AI too. And so they'll be fine, but you got to buy and take advantage of steals when you see them. Steal deals is the name of the game. And way down here at 160, 170, knowing that it's going to be 205, you guys are, again, this is what we call easy money, okay? Then VTI, you always need an ETF inside of your portfolio mix, okay? You can get VOO or VTI. You don't need both. Just choose one over the other, okay? There's no right or wrong. They're the exact same. They're going to get the same performance every year. Okay, VTI sitting at 285.41. This one was down. That's the time to go get it when it's down 1.26%. Okay, the lower the better. You always want to buy low. When you see stocks go low, SoFi finally came back. I don't know if it came to $12, but I seen $13. Any stock that go low, that's when you buy it. Somebody sent a real good message today, and they was like, Coach, I've been studying SoFi, and I saw that it was $13, but I know it's always living and sitting around 14 to 16. That's the level of stuff I'm talking about. She was so spot on, and so she's going to crush the game because she's just doing simple common sense stuff. Everybody knows SoFi is always at 14 or 16 or $17. So at 13, you know that's not a place that's going to stay for long. Buy stocks when they are low. Okay, VTI, you need to have that in your portfolio as your number one ETF. Okay, and then ticker symbol SCHD is the other one you need to have. This one is sitting at $28. This one was down 1.76%. Anytime you can get it on the low, you buy great companies, great assets when they are down. That is the greatest and largest transfer of wealth you're going to get. So anytime it's a crash, don't fall victim to the hype, the fear mongering, the stuff that the TV people going to say. No, they try to trick you guys. That's when you're supposed to be buying. You guys think these stocks going to stay down at these prices for forever? Even if it lasts 3 months to a year, they not going to stay down here forever. So you got to be thinking, man, where do these prices just fall from? I know at some point in time, we don't never know the time. You just got to be in it to win it. That it's going to go back to the prices it fell from. So Meta is going to change your life. Google is going to change your life. VTI is the staple of your portfolio, and so is SCHD. That will change your life. At least put them four in your portfolio as some quality, safe plays to own. Go do your due diligence on them. Go see what the holdings in them are. Make sure on your individual stocks you familiar with the balance sheet, the board, the profit and loss, and all of that good stuff. Okay, but nevertheless, it's about owning quality, because owning quality is how you change your life. Okay, with that being said, man, Coach just wanted to love on you guys today. Share these 4 plays with you. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. I don't miss, and so you guys shouldn't miss. Okay, the levels I'm going to give you on any play I call out, you follow them. We're going to crush Tesla tomorrow. We're going to crush the SPY. We don't care what they do. All Coach got to do is get up. If the Lord wake me up and I see what we doing, that's exactly what we doing. We getting busy. Okay, follow the levels. Okay, I'm going to put it in there as plain as I can make it. Okay, it's more detailed if you're on a money team, but as plain as I can make it for the Discord. You should always eat. You can hit your whole 100K just off of SPY and Tesla. I don't care about which direction to go. I don't care about Elon Musk. I don't care about nothing political. I don't care nothing that they got going on. I'm talking about a stock that can make money. It's about green with me, okay? It's about helping you guys change your life and teaching you how to consistently make money. That stock moves. SPY moves. Focus. We ain't chasing every single thing. Master them to like the back of your hand, okay? Change your life and get up off the corporate plantation. That's how it's go down, all right? It's just like that. Listen, man, we're going to get up out of here. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.